Well, this ain't wanting to come in. I think it's a big old catfish. He's drawing line too. No, that looked like a bass. That is. Yes, sir. Good one. That's what I'm talking about. What there's drawing the line. Come on there. I don't know how I'll get him up here on this concrete wall though. Boy, that's a good one. That is a good fish. I've got him tired out, but I bet I can't get him up here. Come on, fish. We're gonna take a walk. The reason I can't get him up here is because I've only got light line on here. So let's walk him. I might stop this fishing off a concrete wall. Let me see if I can get down there. He's not going to comply. Now just hang on, fish. I'm going to let you loose. Because I didn't come here to keep you today. Well, I was going to call this video hike fishing. I guess I'm going to call it stupid crazy minute fishing. Okay, come on. There, that's a good spot. I should take a picture of this with my phone because these GoPros always make a fish look about 30% less than it is. Well, I'm glad I brought my pliers. Hang on, fish. Don't get too sick on me or die on me. And there we go. One to live another day. I didn't come out here to collect fish today. Now go ahead, buddy. Live on it. There it goes. Alright. There's one down. So this is what I'm calling hike fishing today. Because up here at this dam, there's this hiking trail that goes around a lot of the lake, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do here with this today. I would have put that float tube in the water, but it's supposed to be rain coming up and all that stuff, and I went through that the other day and that was enough. So I'm going to do a hike fish. Exercise and fishing all at once. Alright, we got another something on here. I'd say it's a doggone catfish, but these bass haven't been jumping, so come on, let us see. No, another bass. That'll be the smaller one this time. I can probably pull him up. We'll see. Yeah, I did. Another little spot. That would be big enough to eat, I guess. Probably doesn't look it in this GoPro. Anyway, okay, there's two today. And he swam off. Good deal. All right. I'm gonna have to tighten your drag up. He's gonna get me wrapped up in this dock. Oh, hell's bells. And he did. Son of a bitch. Got me hooked in this bolt down here. Well, I'm still in this game. Come on there, boy. Boy, he doesn't want to come in. Not at all. Boy, that's a good one. Another good one. Check him out. Well, that's three today. I don't know if I'll pick this one up or not. We're gonna try it. Oh Lord, I could walk it over there to the bank, but I'm not doing that again. Let's see if this light line will hold. I gotta go to the bank. I'm out on this little dock. Now I'm doing this. Okay, come on, boy. I'm gonna turn you loose. Because I'm not keeping fish today. But you are a pretty one. If I can get you out of this water. Boy, he don't want me to lip him at all. But I got you. Yeah, boy. Well, that broke my hook. I'm gonna see if I can get that out of your mouth. Yeah, I got him. Do you want this fish? All right, it's a good sized spot. I normally take one home to eat, but I'm not fooling with it today. I'll bring it to you. Another one on. Well, those fish must be hungry coming off of that spawn. Another bass too. Come on, baby, show us some jump. I think I can pick you up. I got another smaller one. You want it?
YouTube channel.
It's called Blaney's channel, which is my name.
Blaney's?
Yeah, you'll never remember that.
Yeah, I will. Dave Blaney, Ryan Blaney that races.
Okay, now when I come out here, now see that bottle of ice in there?
Uh-huh.
You can't let these night crawlers get
Hot.
they die. So just take, yeah, I'll be looking at that too. Here, can you? I'm teaching my new buddy here how to fish with these night crawlers. Might want to back up a little bit, it won't be in focus. Okay, so I'm going to take a night crawler. I don't use anything but a swivel, light line too. This is a 6 pound test. And I like the weedless hook by the number 6. All I'm going to do is hook that night crawler one time right through the head. Put my weedless thing on there.
I think it's one off.
And no, it does that, saves the battery. So now all I'm going to do is cast that. Now, just for addition, here, let's just stop that. I try to figure out by casting, are they way up at the bank? Or are they out a little bit? Sometimes they'll stay out from the bait fish and charge into the bait fish. Or are they out a little deeper? Well, I figured out today, and I'm just going to throw straight out there. Now I'm going to let that go to the bottom. Now I'm not saying we're going to get one on this cast, but I'm going to let that go to the bottom, and it doesn't matter if it sits there, and it doesn't matter how long you leave it sitting there. But pull it back up off the bottom. Give it a couple of jerks just like you would a plastic worm. Let it settle back down. Let it sit there a little while. I'll pull it up again. Now I watch my line.
When it hits the bottom.
I use my line like a bobber. There it goes. See?
There he is.
Now the way that hit, no, that's a good one. No, it wouldn't. When they just hit it and you just see a vibration, it's a damn little bluegill or shell cracker.
Right.
And this is where the aggravating part comes in.
They get you.
Because they get your
worm.
They strip your hook. Well, I'm done today. Do you want the rest of these worms?
I don't have any. Well, I got a little light line. I mean,
well, I mean, you can fish.
Some little light line.
You can fish with a 20 pounds. You know, it doesn't matter, but it's hard to cast. You can't cast it.
Right. Yeah.
But you can put some weight on there and cast it out. But you're more apt to get the catfish. But
yeah, I don't want no catfish.
Well, I like catfish. I eat them too.
I do too, but I just don't like cleaning them and skinning them and.
Well, I clean them just like a bass.
Just fillet them. Just.
Yeah, you can run your knife right down that skin, just like you do that scale.
Right.
So they'll live for a while.
Okay. Well, all right.
But you can have those.
Sure
I'm done.
Give them a shot. For sure. I got more than enough for me and my wife.
Yeah. Well, if you got a freezer, you can keep them.
Oh yeah, I got a freezer, and we got some in the freezer.
Okay, I caught all the fish I wanted today. I gave my night crawlers to that guy I met at the lake. Now I'm going to take this. Boy, and I'm winded. I'm going to take the hike part of this hike and fish. And this is H. Neely Henry Lake. I recently put up a video about this hike. You're welcome to go watch. Whew. Right now I'm going to save my breath for getting back to the car, which is about 1.5 miles from here. So hope everybody enjoys this video. Comment below.